Welcome back to another video. Em's not here. I have mocked up an exhaust. We're opting with a hood stack. It's a very temporary exhaust, held together by just a couple welds. I want to see how it fits, and then I'll be taking the hood home, cutting it, making it better. If this exhaust is good, I'll be finishing it up. But yeah, we'll have a look and see if it fits. So this was very... Oh. I don't feel like that's gonna... Holy. Well, we could opt with that. Oh, actually. Just measuring, eyeballing where I want that. We're coming out like a hood stack, and I want it to sit half, I guess. If we turn it, so that I do, but I don't. I'm not going to take this. I'll mock the exhaust up again. I'm not going to take that home today. We've got some cutting and welding to do here down there, so we're just cutting that off. There is a bent piece, but from there to there is straight, so should be alright. Gonna rotate this little piece that way. Yeah, that way. I'll be able to put that on, mark it on the roof, bonnet, and then yeah, I'll take it to my place where I've got cutters and stuff. And then Bob's your uncle. Sounds like a plan, Stan. Next clip you'll see is me with a different exhaust, different pipe. Lay the pipe down. Alright. Transition. I'm not retarded, I swear. I'm not retarded. You can't see me because I'm not retarded. We got a new exhaust. It's a lot shorter. Straighten it up. Hopefully everything's all good, and hopefully I can take the hood today. So we can put it on. I did forget the bolts, but oh well. Oh, that's looking snug. I marked where it sits, but because it's tall and obviously the lid is folding back, I've got to cut it like up to here. and I don't really want to. So, plan is that if it goes, sort of literally just take this off, that'll go there, and it should only have that much out. So hopefully that is enough. Yeah, hopefully that's enough. Just stole his hood. Shit up. Alright, we're back with the Emerson's here, as you can see. We've got the seat.
It's at my house.
It's at my house.
I haven't been home.
Yeah, you haven't been in the video.
I did.
Got the exhaust. I didn't cut it yet. I have an idea for that. Got the seat back. It's missing the rest of it. Awesome, sexy boy.
Yeah.
I was talking about you. Yeah, we just got to mark it. That should be good to go. Yeah, got to mark it, got to cut it, and then Bob's your uncle.
Once you're done watching this video, make sure you go subscribe to my OnlyFans. I'll put my cock in the exhaust pipe.
Yeah, can we take the chance? Just cut it.
What if you do a little cut, not with your smallest blade, and like, that way you can see the exhaust, see where it hovers over.
Yeah.
That way that it's small, but if we gotta move it and make it bigger.
I'll just hold it next to it and sort of see where it lines up. It's just
Oh yeah. So pretty much where you point.
yeah. So yeah, you reckon lay into it?
Right. Which way are they gonna shoot?
Hey?
Which way are the sparks gonna shoot?
That way.
Oh. Okay.
Bring it out. Alright, make sure to wear your safety. I was wearing my glasses, you just couldn't see them. Oh my god. See how it looks. Ow! It even fucking sits down. Oh my god! Oh, this is gonna be.
POV, a black guy bursting from her bum cheeks.
Yeah, they're coming at you.
Oh man.
Just like me.
No.
Wide jeans. Don't know why I thought jeans was a good idea. Yeah, not really. Either that or I just walk around in me underpants.
One down.
Right. Ah! Alright. So this is what we've got so far.
Oh, you cut it down. That looks sick.
That looks so nice. Oh god. Alright, when you're ready.
So, exhaust system done the mower. There it is. Keegan coroned into a, going for like a you know those older lights you get. Got like the soccer ball come through the wall. It's got that effect. That's sort of what we're going for with the exhaust. And then we've got the base of the seat. I don't know if we actually showed you guys how bad of a condition that was in.
yeah.
But yeah, that looks really good. The fresh paint as well. Makes me want to repaint the whole thing, I can't lie. But
Eventually.
yeah.
We put a high boost engine in it.
Yeah. A V8 with turbo.
Yeah. LS1.
Yeah, 2JZ.
Yeah.
But yeah, next video, hopefully we'll have the seat stitched up.
Oh yeah.
And maybe a carburetor by then. Try get a new one. See if that's our issue. But we're thinking more something to do with the fuel, get into the engine. So we'll wait and see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And spider.
Oh.
And, you reckon that makes a good golf tee?
Oh no, you have to now. Do you have a ball?
I do. Wait, what am I doing there?
Oh no. Happy Gilmore 4?
Happy Gilmore 4.
What are we going with?
What do you reckon?
My driver would be obvious, but it's a bit silly.
Yeah.
How far are we going for?
I am up to my fishing wedge.
Just a nice chip?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sounds good. Oh no.
I better not have to buy a pitching wedge.
Oi, just don't dent your gutter this time, yeah? Oh no.
Introducing the Ram Rancher. That didn't work.
Take 2.